This is the SSD. It houses all your files on your computer. Alright, you just gotta put it in like this. We gotta place it till it's firm. And you gotta flip this little switch. That one right there. Grab the other one. Shit. I mean,
slot it in just like that, yeah.
and you gotta take this out. You gotta push it back in. Flip that up. Push it back in.
Bingo.
This is the cover plate. It kind of protects the components of the computer. Oh man, how do I do this? Alright, and I think, yeah.
Don't go too hard on them. Just make them snug.
Alright.
Just like that. Perfect.
Awesome. This is the RAM. It houses and manages all activity on the computer and serves as a management system for the whole computer. All right, so you just put it in like this. You have to put it inside of you have to put it inside of the gray slot. And you kind of have to wedge it. Oh man.
You need a little help?
Just a little bit, yeah.
I gotcha. Sheila, just hold it back.
Yeah.
There she is.
Oh, what the heck?
You gotta go real hard on these.
I will. Alright.
Now we need the AC. Oh man. Need help?
I think I got the bottom, but I got the bottom.
Hold the back.
The other one.
Top. The top didn't click. Oh.
Sometimes the top not clicking, it's fine.
Alright, but alright, yeah, we're good.
You're feisty. Whatever. Just like that.
We're awesome. We're good. Chill. 3. Alright, go.
So this is your GPU, also known as your graphical processing unit. What this does, it renders and handles all images and rendering in any video game or anything, and is also heavily utilized by AI to perform its tasks due to its very multi-core and CUDA-core functions as a GPU. So, all to do to install it, you slide it into these two slots right here, like I already cleared out. And you gotta be very careful with this process, because if you don't, you're gonna mess up real bad and it's gonna be expensive. So all you do, hold on, till you click it or it slots in. We'll put a little placeholder while I screw it in. Now, just gotta get these 4 bolts on the side. All right. Trouble in the background.
Yeah, all good.
So you got those screws tied. Now you can let it drop peacefully. It won't go anywhere. And then you got your 24-pin cable, and this can handle up to 500 watts of electricity. So this is your radiator, and what connects to it is the water pump. So unlike standard PCs, or I don't want to be a mean person, but less higher end PCs, they have air cooling. This relies on water cooling though. So all you gotta do, line it up with the 4 screws on the bracket, put the LCD cover on it. You can put GIFs or whatever you'd like on this screen. And this is very optimal if you have a high demand operations or anything on your computer that is gonna run your CPU under high stress. It's gonna keep it cool under all the situations. So with these, you mainly want to get the 4 contact points so there's even spread on the CPU with the thermal paste, because if not, you'll have cores on your PC that can be harder than each other, which can cause bottlenecks like overheating or the PC outright shutting down on itself. So all we got to do here, put one of the last screws in, get the one that fell on the ground, There we go. And put the last one in. And oh, we're ready to go. It's all right. And last screw goes in. And your CPU cooler is ready to keep you cool under anything you do.
And so now we're gonna start plugging in the power supply. So this big red one right here is basically the whole connector to your motherboard, which powers everything on. And we're just gonna go right there. This one right here connects your CPU, I'm sorry, which you just seen got assembled. So there we go. And then this is our blue one. Blue, yes. And then so your blue one is also for like fans and just the air cooler and stuff. There's multiple of those, so there we go. And then we got our pink one right here. This is just for more, just
That one.
this one right here. Oh, this is orange, I'm so sorry. This is also just for more of like your, just other miscellaneous things, honestly. And right here, your green one is for your CPU again, because multiple cords go into it. And then this is the yellow one, another CPU. It just helps it power on and run correctly. And let's go. There we go. Purple is for your case. Just turns on like lights and just your power button, like just your simple stuff. So we'll just plug that in right there. And am I missing? Okay. And those are all the cables that go into the power supply, which this is like your powerhouse. This is like your generator, basically.
Yeah. There we go.
That's it.
Perfect.
Now we're back at the desk. We finished setting up Windows, and we're just doing some sort of like wellness check. Right here we have it that it's running off Wi-Fi. That's good to go. Here's our processor, our core processor unit, which is our CPU. This is the speed that it's going at. That's good. This is the memory it's using. That's good. This is our RAM right here that Caleb put in. This is good right here. The 2 sticks. Here it is. A1, A2, and B2. There you go. And then here are our fans. This one's running how it's supposed to be right here. And then here are our water fans. There you go. These are the water ones. These are the regular ones. And then right here's just showing us that as it's booting up, now they're good to go. And here's just obviously the temperature of the CPU, as you can see, and the voltage. Everything's running well, the temperature, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching our how to build and set up a computer off of Windows 10.